Hey guys, welcome back. Hopefully you had a good weekend and a good Monday in the market. Lots of news this weekend. Our President Trump got COVID, seems to be recovering quickly. He's taken all the different drugs and therapeutics to get better. And I think today they're releasing him from the hospital. He's gonna stay under close watch, I think, back at the White House. And yeah, hopefully he has a speedy recovery. Markets didn't do a whole lot from that. When the news was, it was this day, I guess. So yeah, it was over the weekend, right? No, on the night of the 1st. What I'm looking at? Yeah. So it gapped down that day, and I think we already talked about it, and then it kind of recovered. And then today, the SPY kind of rallied after they said that there was people going to the hospital to get Trump and bring him home. So that's kind of what this rally is. What do we do today? Well, Levi I wanted to talk about. Levi is doing really well. We have 100 shares of this, and yeah, our average cost is $13.83, which looks pretty good now. It hasn't looked good for quite a while as it's been down here. We've been holding it and selling covered calls. So we have a covered call now that's in the money, so it's negative. If Levi strike price closes, if the strike price is over $14 on the 16th, which is what, next Friday. I think I rolled this one over actually when Levi had another spike, so that's why it's such a long, or no, the expirations on these are like once a month maybe. It's like really seldom. Let's see, 16th and November 20th. Yeah, so it's like a month between them pretty much. So we've got this covered call on it. We'll see if Levi stays strong, then good for Levi. We will be selling our 100 shares, which is fine. I think these pre-COVID stocks might be slowly starting to make a comeback, at least some of them. Levi might be one of them. I'm not really too interested in Levi in the long term, but was kind of doing the wheel with this one. So if we get out of that, that's fine. We had the SPY, let's see, credit, SPY put, what was it? Put credit spread. Can't remember if it was a put or call credit spread, but that expired worthless, and so we collected the premium on that. And then today I opened up DKNG. This is a call credit spread. Yeah, there's a call credit spread, and basically this expires Friday, and it's a 63 and 64 call. So I sold the 63 call and I bought the 64 call. Got 7 contracts. The premium I collected for that is $175. And if DKNG, DraftKings, sports betting is below $63 on expiration date, I will keep the full premium. We'll see tomorrow though. I think it's gonna probably come down tomorrow, and then it might find a bottom tomorrow, so I might sell out of it tomorrow. We'll see where it's at. This was kind of a short-term little deal. I didn't want to do it in a day, because with Robinhood, since I'm under $25,000 account size, I like to open a position and then close it. I try not to close it the same day, so if I can hold it overnight, then that's what I'm trying to do. So I opened that one up, and hopefully that one works out. We've got Kodak that shot up too. Basically, when Trump said he was doing better, recovering from all these drugs he was taking, lots of stuff shot up. Kodak shot up. Regen shot up. We'll go over those in a second. So there's a covered call I have on Kodak. This one I think I rolled over also, but yeah, this one actually might expire in the money. We'll see if Kodak keeps running. This expires Friday, so it's a $45 credit, and yeah, it's pretty much break even still, so that's crazy. Yeah, so our Levi shares are up, of course. Let's see overall. Yeah, we're up 119 on Levi. Space, I think, went up today a little bit. Kodak had that run up. Tesla is kind of climbing still. Oh yeah, GM shot up. I was gonna sell a covered call on GM. However, when I looked at the chart, it looked like it had some more room to go. Let's see. I look on Webull, so I can't really tell on this thing, but basically, I thought I was gonna keep going up, which I could be wrong. Because if it keeps running up, let me show you on this one. If I think this is just kind of the beginning of its bullish run, then I don't want to sell a covered call right away. Unless if I'm trying to get rid of the shares, which I could. I'm not really trying to hold this for long term, actually. We're positive on it, so I could sell a covered call at 30.50 and make money, even if I have to sell my shares. But yeah, when I saw here, it looked still bullish to me. Kind of sold off at the end of the day, but I think it's still bullish. So I was going to wait for it to kind of see if it finds a top, see if I can spot a top on it, and then sell a covered call there, maybe for a real close strike price. But I actually had an order out today to sell a covered call. However, I had it a lot higher just in case it shot up. I'd want to sell it, but it didn't shoot up, so it didn't get filled. AAL, I think it went up today, yeah. And then Rocket dropped today. Yep, poor old Rocket. Our Weeble positions, I actually got a share of Regen. I just got one. I wanted to get a little bit of the action. I might try and start I need to get back into just swing trading shares a little bit. I used to do that more, and I did pretty well with it. It's not as big a gains typically, and it takes more collateral, but it's a little safer. You don't have to worry about time. And on this account especially, since everything's naked, I can't do spreads. I might just start putting money into shares. So I've got this Macy swing trade, and if you watch Macy's, it's as I thought yesterday. It's kind of bullish, and it continued to run up today a little bit. We'll see. So we're positive on this a bit. And then Regen, this was the one. These are the guys that produced one of the drugs that Trump took and is basically recovering with. So one of the reports was they're very proud that Trump is taking a hit and it's working, and it's a lot of pressure. But yeah, so this might go crazy. I don't know. It seems like it should go crazy. I mean, it already did have a big run up right here from the news when he was taking it. And that was this. So I'm kind of just trying to catch a little continuation on that. And then what else did we do? That's about it on that. Datadog, still waiting for that to go. Guild, AL. Yep, I need to get out of some of these positions so I can make this a margin account. E-Trade didn't do quite as well. I have all these bearish positions on here, and it's hard to know if these are good or not. But I did actually open up a couple naked puts. So this account dropped too low, so I'm not able to do spreads on it, and I don't want to deposit more money, so I'm just going to try and climb it back up a little bit. So I opened up a couple puts on Pins and Peloton. They're just little short-term period. October 20th on both of them. The strike price for Peloton is a 99, 10 something, 100. So when I opened that, it was right here, and it looked like it hit a double top, and then of course it starts to run up. So it might be green again tomorrow. I feel like it is pretty overextended at this point. I'm hoping for one of these days, just a couple big red candles, and I'll sell out of it. Because as you see, it's oversold here. But yeah, when I sold it here, it was right here, and I was like, okay, it's a double top. It didn't break the resistance, and then as the day progressed, yeah, it kind of didn't really break resistance, kind of, but not really. There's kind of resistance right here, so it might be topping out right there. This run right here though did break this resistance, so it could be what's it called, a bull cup, kind of this cup and then a handle. I don't quite know how to see those, but yeah, we'll see on that one. And then Pins, I'm a little bit more bearish on. This one looks like it has kind of hit a top and will start coming down now. MACD crossed over here, it's coming down. It hasn't broken this. It's kind of made this triple top really, and red candles below the line moving average right here, this big red candle. So I think this one will go good in our favor. Peloton, not so sure, but these were kind of all over the place. Pins, I was up like 40% at one point. Peloton was up like 15%, and then it of course rallied. Still have this SPY debit spread, GPS debit spread, Delta Airlines debit spread, and then BAC. Oh, sorry, put debit spreads on all these puts. So we'll see. I've got a lot of time on those. We'll see what they do. But that's pretty much it today on Robinhood account, up $133. Let's see, a lot of that, I guess Levi had a big part of that. GM, Tesla, Kodak, Space. Those are the big ones for today. On our options, of course, the covered calls went down on the stocks that went up. The Tesla one was, I'm stupid for not taking, you know, whenever that was here or something, I was up 20-30% on this. I should have taken it. This expires on Friday, so yeah, we'll see. I mean, Tesla was doing good today. Kind of flat though. It was up 2% today, and now it's kind of flat. MACD's crossed over the signal, so that's good. That's a bullish sign. The 9 kind of bounced off of the 180, so that's another good bullish sign. So it might start running back up here. We'll see. Come up to test the 450. That's what I'd like. And then I can sell this. Get rid of that. And then, yeah, this DraftKings I'll probably get out of tomorrow. We'll see. If it gets bad, maybe I'll have to roll it over, or I'll have to wait another day. I think if I wait too long on it though, DraftKings will probably start coming back up. So I wanted to do like, you know, put credit spread, thinking it's going to go up, but this is kind of a bear flag to me. This kind of big red bars, big red candles, and then just kind of consolidation in this round, and not like a real reversal with a big green candle on top of the 9 moving average. MACD didn't cross. RSI is kind of in the middle, so I think it's going to keep going down at least another day, and it could be a few days, I'm not sure. But at this point, actually, Robinhood's the only account I can do the spreads on. Slowly losing access, so I'm trying to make this one just long term, maybe not quite as much exposure to spreads, at least not too risky of ones. So hopefully these ones on E-Trade work out, we get that back up where we need it to be, or I might just start doing shares in E-Trade also, just swing trading shares like I'm doing on here. Macy's and Regeneron. Yeah, Regeneron, it's kind of high overall right now. Just, I mean, all this COVID stuff. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, actually. Okay. So it's not. Let's see. That was back in 2016, so it's not terrible. This, let's see. This was COVID, right? Wait, 2019. Right here. This was. Wait, where was it? Right here. No. Where was it? 2020. There. Right here. Okay. This little dip was COVID, and then it shot up from there. So, not too bad of a position on it. But I'll probably just watch the hourly chart on this, wait till I see it reversing and looking bearish, and then I'll sell it. But so far, it's still bullish looking to me. Same with Macy's. Let me see Macy's again. Yeah, after hours Macy's kind of looks like it's turning around, but it's at a good spot. I mean, this is cheap. It's been selling out for a long time, and it's just now trying to cross over this golden cross, I think it's called, where the 9-day moving average crosses the 180. And if it can do that, that'd be good on the hourly chart at least. And if you look daily, you know, it's still basically COVID lows. So I think these might start coming back, like the Macy's, the Levi's, those. Tech, of course, is way surpassed where it was pre-COVID, but these have all stayed down. And I knew, brings me to my CNK. I heard about this weekend, how they closed all their theaters because James Bond didn't come out, and then I totally forgot about market opens, and I should have bought a put here, and then CNK sells off. Looks like it might be trying to make a reversal. I was gonna do some credit spreads or put credit spreads or call credit spreads on this, but I was like, I don't know, this might keep selling off. So I left this alone for now. We'll see. This might have found a bottom already though. But I don't know. People aren't going back to movie theaters. It might keep going. It's got some ways to go. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Sub up, like up, comment down. Make your money happy money, so stick around, and we will see you tomorrow. Out.